On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Medicinal.
Of or relating to the treatment or cure of disease.
Examples:
Medicinal chemistry. Traditional medicinal. The medicinal properties of this herb have been known to help with various ailments.
Regenerative.
Tending to regrow or restore lost or injured tissue.
Examples:
Regenerative medicine. Regenerative therapy. The regenerative properties of stem cells make them a promising area of research.
Scaffold.
A temporary platform or structure used to support workers and materials during construction or maintenance work.
Examples:
Scaffold construction. Go to the scaffold. The construction workers set up the scaffold to reach the top of the building.
Biomaterial.
A substance, usually synthetic, that is used for medical or veterinary purposes and is designed to mimic or replace biological tissues.
Examples:
Biomaterial development. Biomaterials industry. The new biomaterials used in implants are more durable and less likely to cause an immune response.
Blouse.
A loose-fitting upper garment for women, typically having a collar, buttons, and sleeves.
Examples:
A lacy blouse. Blouse with sleeves. She paired her denim jeans with a delicate floral blouse.
Regenerate.
To improve or renew an area, institution, system, etc., especially by making it more active or successful.
Examples:
Regenerate bone tissue. A regenerate sinner. The new CEO's primary mission is to regenerate the company on the verge of bankruptcy.
Devise.
To come up with an idea, plan, theory, etc., using your intelligence or imagination.
Examples:
Devise a plan. Devise a literary plot. They had to devise a system that did not depend on fossil fuels.
Suture.
A stitch or series of stitches used to hold together the edges of a wound or incision so that it can heal. A line of junction between two bones, particularly in the skull of an animal or human.
Examples:
Surgical suture. Suture thread. The surgeon used a special suture to close the wound.
Graft.
A transplanted portion of tissue or skin, often taken from one part of the body and used to repair or replace damaged or missing tissue in another part. A corrupt or illegal means of acquiring wealth or power through illicit or unethical methods.
Examples:
Graft surgery. Anti-graft law. The patient's skin graft procedure was successful, and he was released from the hospital.
Pancreas.
A glandular organ in the digestive system that produces several important hormones, including insulin and glucagon, as well as digestive enzymes that help break down food in the small intestine.
Examples:
Pancreas inflammation, pancreas function. The endocrine function of the pancreas involves the secretion of hormones such as insulin.
Supple.
Flexible and easy to bend or move, gracefully agile, adaptable or responsive to change or new ideas.
Examples:
Supple muscles, supple leather. The ballerina's supple movements left the audience mesmerized.
Weave.
To make cloth, a carpet, a basket, etc., by repeatedly crossing a single thread through two sets of long threads at a right angle to them.
Examples:
Weave on a loom. Weave a story. The girl weaves a garland for her friend.
Tease.
To make fun of someone or make jokes about them, either in a playful way or to upset them. To separate the fibers of something. To ruffle a person's or animal's hair by combing.
Examples:
Tease the children. Tease wool. This ad is intended to tease a competing product.
Leaflet.
A small, thin piece of paper or other material, often used for advertising or informational purposes, a small branch or part of a leaf.
Examples:
Information leaflet. Political leaflet. The environmental group handed out leaflets to raise awareness of the dangers of deforestation.
Centigrade.
A system of temperature measurement in which the freezing point of water is 0 degrees and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees, also known as the Celsius scale.
Examples:
Centigrade scale. Centigrade thermometer. The temperature reached a peak of 35 degrees centigrade.
Perfuse.
To saturate or supply with a fluid or substance, especially to supply oxygenated blood to tissue or organs, often through a network of blood vessels.
Examples:
Perfuse blood. Rapidly perfuse the organs. The doctor recommended using a nitroglycerin spray to perfuse the medication into the patient's system quickly.
Infiltrate.
To enter or penetrate a group, organization, or place covertly or secretly, usually with a specific purpose or goal in mind, to spread or diffuse through something gradually or subtly.
Examples:
Infiltrate the bloodstream. Infiltrate a community. The spy was able to infiltrate the enemy's headquarters undetected.
Parenchyma.
A type of tissue found in plants and animals, consisting of unspecialized cells that are the foundation of the organ or structure in which they are found, performing various functions such as storage, photosynthesis, and support.
Examples:
parenchyma tissue, hepatic parenchyma. The parenchyma cells in the plant tissue are responsible for photosynthesis.
Flatbed.
A type of truck or trailer with an open, flat platform for carrying cargo or equipment. A type of scanner or printer that uses a flat, stationary surface to capture or print images.
Examples:
flatbed printing, flatbed scanner. The construction workers used a flatbed truck to transport the heavy materials.
Morphometric.
Relating to the measurement and analysis of the physical shape and structure of organisms, objects, or systems.
Examples:
morphometric parameters, morphometric measurements. The morphometric analysis revealed significant differences in body size among the different species of birds.
Volumetric.
Relating to or measured by volume, which refers to the amount of space occupied by an object or substance.
Examples:
volumetric flow rate, volumetric analysis. The 3D printer uses volumetric calculations to determine the material needed for each print job.
Unstage.
Onto or on a stage in a theater, in front of an audience.
Examples:
appeared on stage, walk on stage. He performed his magic trick on stage, leaving the audience in awe.
Recess.
A period of time when the members of a parliament, committee, etc., are adjourned, a short break in a trial in court.
Examples:
a court recess, during noon recess. The company decided to take a recess and reconvene the meeting later that day.
Dialysis.
A medical treatment that removes waste and excess fluids from the blood of a patient with kidney failure.
Examples:
dialysis nurse, dialysis machine. Regular dialysis treatments are necessary for those with kidney failure.
Bifida.
A congenital condition where the spinal column does not fully close during fetal development, resulting in a defect in the spinal cord or nerves.
Examples:
meningocele bifida, occulta bifida. The pediatrician recommended specialized care for the baby diagnosed with spina bifida.
Profess.
To declare openly, often publicly or formally, that one has a particular skill, belief, or feeling, to admit or affirm.
Examples:
profess innocence, profess law. He professes his love for her every day, showering her with gifts and affection.
Stubborn.
Refusing to change one's mind or behavior, despite persuasion or evidence to the contrary, unyielding, difficult to move or change.
Examples:
stubborn attitude, stubborn stains. He was so stubborn about his beliefs that he refused to listen to any other points of view.